In this video, let's see how to add bank details in Zoho Invoice. First, go to Zoho Invoice and log into your account. Then, click on the Settings icon in the navigation bar. In the Settings module, select PDF Templates. Click the Edit icon on the standard template. In the navigation bar, click on Other Details. In the Other Details section, click on Add your bank details. You can now add your bank details and preview them. Let's assume these are my bank account details. By selecting Preview in the modal, you can see how the bank details will appear on the Zoho Invoice. So, this is how to add bank details in Zoho Invoice.